Hello, Paul here again from EMD Automotive. Currently by Sydney, I've got this Porsche 996 I was working on last week. So you can see the gearbox back in, torque converters back on, starter motors back on, and the new breather pipe for the actual oil separator, which is that one there. This one there comes around here. We have to take everything apart so we can run the actual breather pipe properly, otherwise you'll break it. Which comes through here. It goes into the actual relief valve here on bank number 2. I've got the new tensioner on top there. New tensioner. And I've got a new tensioner. Everything's back on together here. Everything's done. We're actually cleaning the intake manifold, as you can see. Cleaning the intake manifold was really dirty, never been cleaned before, so we clean the intake manifold. Once this is cleaned, we're going to put some new seals, which is that one there, new rubber seals onto this one. Put some new vent solenoid here, and then we're going to put the intake manifold on this car here. Pretty much ready to actually for getting very close to installation. Gearbox was fully rebuilt as well. After all this, we can actually, once I finish it, I can actually take it to the actual full underbody clean at the actual car wash. Clean the engine from underneath and the top as well, and the front. Pretty much get everything ready before the customer picks it up. All right, but we're actually really close now to putting the engine back on. After this, the exhaust will go on, which is this part here. Exhaust will go on, and then the side mufflers will go on last. But we have to send this one away to get it. I think there's a rattle inside here, so we can actually fix that. Let's get it welded. It's a common problem on them as well. The baffles inside start moving around and rattle. Yeah, pretty much everything is done. Compared to getting very close to the day to actually crank the engine. All right. Pretty much nearly ready. So once you put the intake manifold on, pretty much assemble the top and then pretty much put the engine back in the car. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.